problem with local police?
They're not responding to anything pertaining to the judge that I'm dealing with. I am the person in the news that's requested the arrest for Judge Mays in Rockdale County. And any issue that I am having with Judge Mays or pertaining to it, no one wants to touch it. It's like the plague. Problem is, that gives Judge Mays an open forum to play any game that he wants to play, right down to filing a false police report. That was just done a week and a half ago, and it hit the news. Nothing is being done, nothing. And I am a citizen, and I am just frustrated. So I wasn't sure as to who I needed to speak to, which is what I told Kevin, when I first called. But I need to find out who, since the sheriff doesn't want to be involved in this, and the Conyers police don't want to be involved in doing their jobs, then who do I get police help from?
Well, I mean, what are the police not doing? I mean, they're not arresting him?
They're not doing anything. A week and a half ago, I was issued an injunction that I had requested against the judge. Went out to give him a copy of the injunction. No help at all. The police came. I had to beg them to stay. Can you hold for 1 second? 1 second.
Sure.
1 second. I appreciate it.
All right.
Thanks. Bye-bye. James?
Yeah.
I'm sorry about that. That's the sheriff department calling. It just took him a minute. It's just a mess. So who do I need to speak to?
Well, I think you need to work with the local officials in Rockdale.
Okay, well that doesn't work. That we've tried that, and nobody's going up against them right now pertaining to this matter. So we have established already that nothing in this county is gonna work. Believe me when I tell you, I've called everybody.
My understanding, I just found a news article from February 10th on this. My understanding from the news article is that this is a private matter between you and the judge. It doesn't seem that there's been it doesn't even seem that there's been a court trial on it yet.
On which matter are we talking about? We just had a hearing last week.
Well, that's why I said a trial. So if there's an order from the Superior Court judge who's involved in this.
We have that.
And if there's an order there, and then that the sheriff's office needs to serve that order or whatever, then you need to bring that up with the judge if the sheriff's office refuses to do so. This doesn't involve the state government, and I don't believe the governor's office will be involved in it.
Well, I didn't say it did. That's why I told Kevin when this started off, I'm not sure who I need to ask the question to. But I am having a problem with this county, and I'm going to need police assistance in the future in dealing with this judge, of which I am not receiving very well. So who do I need to talk to out of this county that can address any police matters that I'm going to need? Who would that be?
You would need to speak with your locally elected officials.
We already discussed that's not working. So
you need to elect different officials, man.
That's just stupid. I mean, to even say that to me just does not make sense. I'm telling you I'm having an issue in this county, and you're telling me I need to elect different officials. That's just disrespectful, and it's just not what I expect from the governor's office.
That's the whole point of the elected officials.
Again, it's not helping, and I'm not even interested in a history lesson on what elected officials are supposed to do. I'm telling you what they're not doing. And as a citizen, I'm not receiving police assistance for my safety. Who do I need to talk to get some police assistance? Would that be the GBI? Would that be the FBI? Tell me who. Would it be the Georgia Patrol? Who governs where I can be safe and deal with some police issues? Who is that? And it is not the elected officials. They're not doing anything.
Okay, well, I can't speak for the FBI. I mean, you can call them.
I don't know. That's why I'm asking you. Who is it I need to call?
Are you going to let me finish, or am I going to hang up the phone?
Now we're going to be disrespectful.
Okay.
I'm telling you.
I can't speak for the FBI, but what I'm saying is that the governor's office is not going to be involved in this matter. It's a judicial matter that should be handled
need to elect anything. I want to be safe in this county. Who do I need to call for police help is all I'm asking you.
If you need to call 911.
Well, they don't respond. So who do I need to contact that governs the police department? Who governs the police departments in this state?
Well, if it's a local police department, like a city police department, it would be the mayor's office or, I guess, the city council.
Okay, well, I've been there. I've sat in the mayor's at the courthouse, the county officials that you're talking about, the chief operating officer of the city. So they're not doing anything. So do I have to get hurt or harmed before anybody will tell me who governs the police department for my safety?
I just told you, ma'am.
You said the city, the mayor's office, they didn't respond, is what I'm telling you.
Well, those are locally elected officials.
Okay, well, I don't have anything to do with who elected them. I didn't live here during the election. I need some assistance now on my safety and the safety of my children.
You need to speak with your attorney about this. That's all I can say.
Give me your name.
Whose name?
Yours.
My name is James Beal.
Spell the last name, please.
B-E-A-L.
And what do you do there for the governor's office?
I'm the legal issues specialist here in the Constituent Services Office for the governor.
Okay, so you're not going to tell me anyone else out of this county that I can contact for help for safety of me and my children?
Ma'am, you need to contact 911 if you're,
Okay, but 911, I've done that. I've called the sheriff's department, and they will put me on hold and tell me a supervisor have to call me back. I've been there and done that.
Well, like I said, ma'am, we're not an immediate law enforcement.
I understand that. I'm not asking you to be. I'm simply asking you who governs these people, and who do I need to call?
I've answered your question.
You have not answered my question. I said out of this county. Are you telling me no one answers, this county doesn't answer anyone?
If it's a local sheriff's office, the sheriff oversees the sheriff's office. They're locally elected officials.
So there's no one in this state that governs this county, period, is what you're saying?
The Board of Commissioners govern the county.
Outside of that, when you have a citizen in my situation who's dealing with a crooked judge and the issues where these police departments don't want to be responding.
With the judge, you may want to file a complaint with the judicial qualification.
I've done that already. That's all of that's in the process. I've done that. We're waiting on a court hearing that I can't seem to get. So I'm trying to find a way to keep me and my children safe in the midst of this. So I'll ask you once again, out of this county, I need police assistance. Who can I call?
911.
They're not responding. I've told you that.
Well, ma'am, that's who you need to call.
So 911 is not responding, and as the governor's office, you don't have a problem with that and giving me assistance and telling me where I need to call other than that?
If you need an immediate law enforcement response, you have to call 911.
But they're not responding is what I'm telling you.
I know, and I'm telling you that if you need an immediate law enforcement response, you need to call 911.
I've done that, and they don't respond. So what do I do?
That's what you do. I mean, I don't know what you
Oh, my God.
I can't give you a telephone number for some outside police agency.
How about a department that I could call? A department that governs these police?
There is no department. The elected officials of the city and county govern the local police and the sheriff's office. The governor does not govern them.
The governor governs everybody in this state. That's inaccurate.
Well,
Everybody in this state falls under the governor. That's not true.
Ma'am, I don't think there's anything more for us to discuss.
So I can't get any assistance, Mr. Beal.
I'm providing you the assistance, but you're not listening to me.
I am listening, but you're telling me to call 911, and I'm telling you they're not responding to me and my children's safety, and you're telling me the governor's office is not interested in that? Really?
We're not interested. There's nothing that we can do. We don't have a law enforcement agency that can just drive down there and make sure that your papers are served on the judge or whatever.
I don't have any papers to serve on the judge, so you're reading one article and you're trying to surmise the whole situation.
There's nothing else for us to discuss.
Is there a supervisor there I can speak with?
No, ma'am, there's not.
So there's nobody else in the office other than you?
Well, we do have a boss, but the answer's not going to be any different.
Okay, well, who is the boss?
Just one second.
Thank you.